Security teams use the Log Explorer to search, query, threat hunt, build detection rules, and investigate their logs. The Log Explorer does not require learning a complex language to extract meaningful insights from your log data. With just a few clicks, a user can build out a filter and start to track down potentially interesting activity. I'm going to do some threat hunting on my Windows event logs today. I'm going to group all my Windows event logs by event ID to get a sense of the activity in my environment. I know that Windows Event ID 7045 is related to installing new services. I'm going to review that activity. Let's take a look at these events. Here's one. Look at the name of the service that was installed, psexec svc.exe. This is a concerning service. Let's see what else is happening on this host. I'm going to use our natural language search capabilities here. There's a lot of activity on this host. Let's see what member was added to a security-enabled global group. It looks like a user was added to the domain admins group on this host. This is very troubling. I'm going to save this to a notebook to share with the rest of my team for further analysis. Also, I need to detect any other similar activity in my environment. I should save my original search as a detection rule. I can use this Easy Share button to move my query right into my detection rule editor. Now we can build out the rest of our detection rule. Datadog also offers AI assistance embedded in the Log Explorer with Watchdog. Watchdog analyzes logs for anomalous conditions and surfaces them to your attention. Watchdog insights are embedded in the Log Explorer interface and can be a useful starting point to understand whether a service outage may be due to a security event.